So now that Christmas has come and gone, my toddler has quite a few new toys. I wouldn't say we went completely overboard, but he definitely got more than what he needed, and he already owned a lot of toys. So I need to figure out a better system of how to store them or rotate them or that kind of thing. And I also need to pack away some of the toys that he's outgrown and maybe get rid of a few that he just doesn't really play with and we don't have much use for. So I am going to empty these drawers and try and tackle some of that. Wow, this child has a lot of toys. Like, they are everywhere. So I need to go through all of that. Well, he woke up from his nap. So that's going to complicate things a little. We'll see how this goes. Alright, I've made a little bit of progress. I've put all the books over there. They're not staying there by any means. It's just a way of sorting. And I've got Fisher-Price things in this bin. Started a Huggies box of get rid of stuff. And I have a pile here of Christmas books that I will put away for the season. Okay, so this stuff is not staying in the window, but I've got it quite organized now. I've got these magnet toys in here. He's got his wooden blocks. This is stuff he got for Christmas. It's mostly Playmobil and some farm things. This is also stuff he somewhat got for Christmas. He got the new pots and pans and then some fruits and veggies. This he also got for Christmas. A toy train set. And there is the Fisher-Price items. So they're more antique kind of things. And so I just have to find spots for all these containers. I obviously also have lots of odds and ends. The dominoes just have to go back in the tin. Levi got into them. And then it's just a matter of these other little items, how I want to organize them. So for now, I got all the Fisher-Price stuff in this top drawer. It's the deepest drawer, so it had to go that way. So second drawer, I've got the kitchen items in there, trains there, and then just odd stuff in that drawer as well. I'm sorry the lighting is not as good for this clip, but I had to do this after because Levi was trying to empty the drawers after I had just organized them. So this drawer, the bottom drawer, has kind of loose items here, so just kind of odds and ends, his ball. This here is the magnet toys, his wooden blocks, a little puzzle here, and the dominoes. So that is the whole dresser. So I've left him out a stack of books. He's already made a mess of them, but that means it's less for me to clean up. So the other ones, I'm going to put in that small cupboard in the bedroom. I don't know if I can fit all of these, but we'll see how many I can fit, and then the rest I'm just going to have to find yet another spot. So if you saw my last organizing video of organizing the bedroom, you'll know I put this cabinet in here. I don't have anything in it, but this bin fits in it, so I'm going to store the stuff in here. I'm really hoping that he doesn't pull it out and open it too often, but we'll experiment and see how it goes. And I decided to put the bin of toys in there and a basket of books. The nice thing is that this basket's tight, so he can't really take the whole basket out, which leaves him sort of only able to take a book out at a time, so he doesn't make a mess quite as quickly then as if he could pull the whole basket out. So that's sort of overflow of toys and books. I did manage to get rid of one box of toys, or at least put it all in a box. I still have to actually get rid of it, but that's a start, so that's a good feeling. So here's the after for the toys. I ended up rearranging the living room, so the couch is kind of in the middle now, which means he sort of has a toy room back here. He has his kitchen with his different pots and pans that he got for Christmas. He's got his slide here. Slide, that's right. He's got his puzzle there. Put some things in the window. His shelf, which is mostly books, but sometimes I set toys up on it. Stuffed animals here. And then behind the couch, I like to set up sort of some stuff to play with. Right now I've got the vintage Fisher-Price couch, that's right. And he's been playing with that. And then, of course, this is the dresser here that I keep some of the excess toys in. So that gives a place for the toys that's not being stepped on, and he's still in an area where people are and he likes to play. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe and join the community here. I will be making more videos on organizing and being more minimalistic, as well as lots of farm style vlogs and mom content. So if that sounds good, hit that red subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!